What's up guys, welcome back to the video. This is actually the same day that I was filming when I was prepping this car, but we kind of just decided to send it, so I'm gonna finish up cleaning it up. Hey, thank you for coming by to my shop today. Whenever your dad's gone, I take over.
It's real good, honestly.
Welcome to my zebra car.
Just put it 10, there's an extra bedroom, you just have it.
Home Depot was out of white automotive primer, so I had to get the black or whatever gray what this is.
Was it embarrassing for you driving this on the way here?
Not really.
Where are the wheels at?
They don't have tires on them.
So they're not here?
No. I was gonna get Avery Gloss Red, but then I was like, that's a little bright. I want something slightly darker. So I looked at mine, which is like called Gloss Carmine Red, and they had a single picture of a 911. I said, fuck it, add it to cart. I got 50 feet. I don't know I think that's gonna be extra, but we'll see. I want to start with the rear quarters because those are the most difficult and like use the most material. But then we'll do the hood last because I might not even do it. I might just want a carbon hood.
The hood's like the easiest part to do.
All right, making progress. We're actually disassembling my car more than I expected. Fenders are gonna come off. The headlights were gonna come off eventually. But we're taking the fenders off because we have to take off the molding, and we figured it was easiest. And we can probably wrap these off the car too.
Yeah, that's what I honestly forgot. Like, prepping is like the longest part.
Yeah, definitely. I have been in the back, kind of took apart the rear a little bit so I can get to the taillights. Taillights are out. I have a little bit more sanding to do because we are going to start with the quarter panels, but I wanted to clean up this area of the primer from the previous owner a little bit. And also it'll make it easier to tuck the wrap and get a cleaner cut with the taillights actually out. So tonight we're going to hopefully get at least one of the quarter panels started and done. And then yeah, we're going to come back tomorrow, see, hopefully we can get as much done as possible, because whatever I don't finish tonight and tomorrow with Christian, I'm going to have to finish on my own back at my house. And he's like kind of more experienced than me. Well, a lot more experienced than me actually, because he wrapped this car, which has been wrapped for how long? Like 2 years now?
Yeah.
And then, but it's coming off. This car is probably going to get painted pretty soon.
Hopefully.
We're back, just like old times with our 90s cars, but I still have my other 90s car, but it's like, I don't know how to describe the 240. So this is my first time seeing the wrap in person. Yeah, that's pretty close to your Miata red.
Dude, this guy really thought we were taking it to a wrap shop after this.
I didn't get that on video, but
Opening the wrap up, sanding the car, taking everything off it.
I thought we were prepping it.
I mean, I was gonna prep it for paint.
I thought they were gonna give you like a discount for having the car like ready to just be wrapped.
Dude, this is just like a little more highlighter than like OEM. Well, actually,
Maybe
dude, I can barely tell.
Just buy this wrap for me and I'm gonna go get my car painted. Fuck this.
No.
Bro, I'm actually intimidated right now by this. Do that again.
You suck.
Post food? Look at that. Not bad. Not
4
bad.
hours later,
4 hours.
we got one piece done.
I don't know, bro. That tuck's a little finicky.
Yeah. Could use some cleaning up.
But yeah, that looks good. As long as the car just looks red from 30 feet away, we're chilling.
She's gonna look red
From 30 feet away, my man. I could have got that done with 2 cans of spray paint.
31 feet away. I can't tell what color it is.
Alright, you did that fender. I got this fender. It's gonna come out great.
Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey, oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey, oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey,
Your bag just came from a car meet. You refueled with some food.
Brought some
And
help.
that.
And that.
Yeah, and that.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna go to sleep. You guys gotta kill it.
I made you my donut.
We're just both flipping our
Objects.
oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey, oh, Mickey, what a pity you don't understand.
What's your problem?
Hey, get this out of here. This has been on the ground.
Take me by the